Take our fabric and fold it in half like this. So now we have a 16 by 9 inch rectangle, and we're going to be sewing it all the way around, but on this side leaving a gap of about 2.5 to 3 inches, somewhere in there, just a gap so that we can turn it after. So we'll sew here, here, skip, and then finish up. We're not using a big seam allowance, just about 3/8 seam allowance. Stop, put the needle down, and turn at the corners. Stop at your dot and back up to reinforce. Lift the foot, go to the next dot, go 3 or 4 stitches up and then back 3 or 4 stitches just to knot that, and then continue. Okay, stop at the corner, put the needle down, pivot the fabric, put the foot down again. And just go back and forth a little to reinforce and knot that. Now we're going to turn the fabric to the right sides.